Hi guys, today we will learn about how to transfer money from PayPal to Revolut. This process is simple and easy. The first thing is sign into your PayPal account after signing in. Take a look on the left side. Here you will see a few options: Home, Activity, Pay, and Get Paid. Simply click on it. After clicking on it, you can see the option Wallet and below to Wallet, Money, Bank Accounts, and Cards. Tap on the option Bank Account and Cards. And here, scroll down. And on the last, you can find the option Credit and Debit Card, because you want to transfer money from PayPal to Revolut. Then first, you must need to connect your account with PayPal. So for connecting, tap on this option link. After tapping on the option link, this interface will be show. Enter your card number, then card type, and write expiry date and security code. And the last thing is click on Link Card. Then your card will be linked, and you can transfer money. So for transferring money, let's go back to the dashboard of PayPal. You can see my PayPal balance is 0. So that's why, here is the option Add Money. But if you have amount in your PayPal, then you can see the option of Transfer Money. Simply click on that option and choose your account and enter the amount. Then you will transfer your amount from PayPal to Revolut. And it was the primary way by which you can transfer money from PayPal to Revolut.